Hi guys, thank you for all of the support on my channel. Almost 2,000 subscribers, and so my dad had a program called Logic Pro where you can make music, and then he just started playing a random sound. And it was a sound from Murder Mystery 2 and the wind sound. So Nicholas got the music from here. And I made my own song. So Nicholas or JD, if you see this, please try and make this a part of the game. It would be so cool. In the beginning, it was just a project for fun, but now it became a project, really big project. And this is take 11. So here we go. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. I hope this get viral. If you share this with a friend if you like it. So thank you guys. See you. Bye.